Hi friends, a very warm welcome to Tanushri's Reading Room. Today I'll be adding some new chapters to the playlist vocabulary, but it's a twist. I'll be discussing error correction because it was a request from some students, and I feel that this particular area will not only help to those will not only be of immense help rather to those who have error correction in their syllabus or they are having it in their school or college curriculum, but this area I personally know is very helpful to those who are preparing for any competitive exam or preparing for any job entrance or anything. So error correction is a very important is very important, and nowadays it is very frequently included in most of the competitive exams. So let's discuss. I love listening Taylor Swift. Now listening and Taylor is not related by any preposition. So we need a preposition there, as well as it will be the addition to the verb listening. So it becomes I love listening to Taylor Swift. Now I born in 1990. Again in this sentence the be verb is missing. If we add I was born in 1990, then the sentence not only becomes complete, but it also gives us a complete sense. It gives us the tense also in the sentence, because 1990 is past, we all know that, but there is no verb in the sentence which is indicating that. I could too go to the supermarket tomorrow. There is an extra to. Rather it will be I could go to the supermarket tomorrow. The last year, I didn't know much German. It is enough if you say last year I didn't know much German. Because the last year means a particular last year. But that is not necessary. The definite article the is used in case of very important matters. Very important things which we want to point out precisely or definitely. But here there is no need to point out at the last year so definitely. So if we only say last year I didn't know much German, I think it's pretty good. I can't reading when it's late at night. This is absolutely wrong, because ing is not at all needed. It is a habitual action, and it happens with a particular person that he or she can't read when it's late at night. So it's enough if you say I can't read when it's late at night. There is no news or no use or no need of using ing with the verb read. So friends, I hope you have understood this particular session of error correction. I'll be coming up with some more. Till then, stay tuned, go through, practice, share your experience with me, and subscribe to Tanushri's Reading Room.